Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Extended Stay America Suites, Stockton, Tracy. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This Extended Stay America, Stockton, Tracy is located in Tracy and especially designed for longer stays, with all rooms featuring a fully equipped kitchen. The hotel offers free Wi-Fi, a 24-hour front desk and a grab-and-go breakfast. Every kitchen at Extended Stay America, Stockton is equipped with a stove-top, microwave and a refrigerator. The hotel also provides guests with laundry and ironing facilities, and upgraded bedding with extra pillows in every room. Free weekly housekeeping services are provided and towels and linen can be exchanged at the front desk. The property offers free on-site parking. Attractions within close proximity to the hotel include the Paragon Outlets and the West Valley Mall. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.